Hello, I'm Andreas Whiteley. I'm going to be introducing multi-screen studio control featuring Viz Multiplay. If you look behind here, we have a big video wall with 6 HD screens, effectively giving us almost 6K resolution video wall. But this is being powered only by one Viz engine using graphic layers as 6 outputs. We can have a total of 8 HD outputs from one engine. If you look on the screen here, this is Viz Multiplay, which allows you to control any number of screens in a studio. It could be a video wall like we're featuring now, or it could be screens to the side of the video wall, or it could be no video wall at all, and you have screens all over the place in the studio. Multiplay gives you a nice overview of these videos and what's going and what's running on the videos, and you can trigger content on each screen individually or all at the same time. Let me show you how that works. So here we have Multiplay. Here we have our stories, which are prepared by the journalists in either iNews and Content Pilot or in Trio. And here we have search, where you can find media, video, graphics in our MAM system. And up here you will find a configuration which allows you to reconfigure your video wall on the fly. Here we have 6 channels. Each channel represents one screen on the video wall with content assigned to them by the journalist. This is something the journalist prepares beforehand. The controller can then decide what to send on there. Right now we see 6 beautiful pictures of cars. We can change that. For example, we want to play a video in the top left, then a video will start playing instantly. We can also decide to play the video somewhere else. We want it in channel 2 as well. And then we have 2 videos playing at the same time. We could even play them in every channel at the same time by simply dragging them over, and you see straight away in the wall, it's starting to play practically instantly. We can also do it, as I said, you can do it individually or you can do it all at the same time. So if we put on this here and we're gonna prepare pictures like this, just a simple tap, here we see that we've queued some pictures to be going on air. The story is getting to the point where we need these pictures on there. The controller just needs to press take all and we get our pictures on there straight away. As I mentioned before, you have up here a way to configure your video wall. You can change the configuration on the fly. So right now we're noticing we have this one active, which shows you 6 channels neatly configured. We can also just show 3 channels and we see a nice transition going where the channels is going to a new position, showing the content, not interrupting, and with a very nice smooth animation. It doesn't matter what's going, we can still change the content. We can still run a video, and now it's on the top left. We can also run this 3 times, and we can still change the configuration while the video is playing. So now I've shown you that you can have videos running and you have pictures running. You can also run graphics or even a live input. Let's show some graphics. So for example, if I want to have a full screen and I want to run these graphics, you see instantly on the video wall, it will play the graphics full screen with a nice frame rate. It doesn't have to be full screen. You can also run it, for example, we have 2 inputs where we still have the graphics and we have the video running. And then even now you can change the content by simply dragging anything to the channel. So now I want to change the video and you see how instantly the video changes. This is built on top of existing Vizrt infrastructure. So if you have Viz engines running in your studio, if you have Trio configured, or if you're using Pilot, Multiplay is installed on top of that. And we'll use the existing infrastructure to provide you an easy way to control any number of screens in the studio. It is infinitely scalable. It does not matter how many screens you have. It does not matter how many engines you need to control. Multiplay will give you an easy way to do this.